Trump announces Iran peace deal. Strait of Hormuz set to reopen for global shipping. In a major development amid the long-running tensions in the Middle East, US President Donald Trump has announced that a peace agreement has been reached between the United States and Iran. According to Trump, the agreement will pave the way for the reopening of the strategical vital Strait of Hormuz to international shipping. Pasting on his social media platform Truth Social, Trump stated that the deal with Iran had been finalized and that the Strait of Hormuz would be reopened without any tolls of restriction. He also announced that lifting of the US naval blockade, a move that could significantly ease tension in the region. The announcement had an immediate impact on global markets. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most important energy corridors, carrying nearly 20% of global oil shipments. Ongoing military tensions and shipping restrictions in recent months had contributed to volatility in crude oil prices. Following news of the agreement, international media reported a noticeable decline in oil prices, reflecting renewed confused in the stability of global energy supplies. Meanwhile, Shahbaz Sharif also stated that after extensive negotiations, the parties involved have reached a concession on the ceasefire and peace framework. According to him, there is a broad agreement to halt military operations across all fronts, and a formal signing ceremony is expected to take place in Switzerland on June 19. Despite the optimistic announcement, the complete details of the agreement have not yet been made public. Several critical issues remain under discussion, including Iran's nuclear program, the removal of international sanctions, and the future framework of diplomatic relations between the two countries. Analysts believe that while the agreement represents a significant step towards reducing tension in the Middle East, its long-term success will depend on the outcome of future negotiations. The development is also particularly important for India as one of the world's largest energy imports. India relies heavily on crude oil supply transport through the Strait of Hormuz. A return to normal shipping operations could reduce uncertainties in energy supply chain and may eventually have a positive impact on fuel price, including petrol, diesel, and cooking gas. However, experts caution that any reduction in retail fuel price will depend on how long international oil prices remain stable.